Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to delete permanently your Instagram account. Now for this video, before we proceed, the process is perfectly the same if you're using your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your Apple laptop or MacBook. Even though I'm using a Windows browser right now, just want to let you know that the process is perfectly the same. In here, click on the more icon, or the three dots on the upper right section if you're using your mobile devices. Go to settings. So you're going to see this one. So once you're inside settings, on the left section there should be Meta. Click see more in account setter and then wait for it to load up. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds for this to load, and this is what we have. So click on personal details, click on account ownership and control, deactivation and deletion, and choose the account. Just choose one of each, deactivate or delete. And simply click on continue. And by the way guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and basically that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.